Hi, I'm Andy Cross, the Chief Investment Officer here at the Motley Fool. As part of our Ask a Fool series, Peter asks, I've read on other sites that people should not invest in bonds at all. What is your view? Well, Peter, it's a great question and one we often get here at the Motley Fool. And to answer your question very specifically, bonds for certain investors are fine. Bond funds really are what we prefer you invest in if you're going to invest in bonds at all. Certainly, as you get closer to retirement, you want to think about more stable, less volatile investments than just equities, and that's more like bond funds. Now, don't go hog wild. The general rule is 100 minus your age is about what you should invest in bonds or bond funds. Now, we think that's probably a little too conservative for your average investor. Certainly, if you're a younger investor, not even close to retirement, if you have 20, 30 years left to go, you don't want to even be thinking about bonds. Really, equities is the way to go. But if you're closer to retirement, bond funds can be a very nice way to stack your portfolio full of investments that generate income that are less volatile than equities, that income you're going to need in your investment years, in your retirement years. So as you get closer to retirement, you do want to think about more stable, less volatile investments than just equities, and that is bonds and bond funds. We think no more than 50%, probably even for your conservative investor, probably should be in bond funds. So the general rule, 100 minus your age in equities, but really don't go too crazy and don't go too conservative, because certainly as you get closer to retirement, and even if you're withdrawing that money, dividend stocks, solid equity plays can continue to generate those kind of returns and those investments and that income you want for your retirement. So that's our Ask a Fool question on bonds. For more information on bonds or any other investing principles, go to fool.com.
People on the show may have interest in the stocks they talk about, and the Motley Fool may have formal recommendations.